Hi friends, this is Nageshwan. Welcome to my channel ITPAT143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Pack and Go wizard in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. Open Publisher 2007. Here I have selected Newsletter Publication. Pack and Go wizard helps to pack the publication and its linked files into a single file that we can take it to a commercial printer. We can also take this packed file to another computer. To start the wizard, come to File menu, navigate to Pack and Go. Here we will get two options. We can take this to another computer or take to a commercial printing service. To take this to another computer, first we need to save the publication. Click on OK. On desktop, I'm saving publication with the name test. Click on save. Now it will open the Pack and Go wizard to take the files to another computer. We can use the wizard to embed fonts and to include linked graphics. Click on next. Select the location to save our packed file. We can burn the packed file to CD or DVD disk or copy it to remote storage device if connected, and copy to floppy disk if available, and also we can store it in local system. Here it is showing the path. It will create a folder on desktop. If you want to change the location, click on browse and select your location and click on OK. Click on next. Select embed to type fonts and include link graphics. And if you are taking the files to a commercial printing service, this wizard also can create links for embedded graphics. I'm selecting create links for embedded graphics. Click on next, and it is showing the procedure going to occur with this wizard. Click on finish. We got that our publication is successfully packed. The wizard copied our packed file into the directory we selected. Click on OK. Now come to the location. Pack and Go wizard will save the publication as compressed file or zip file. Let's extract the file using WinRAR, and you can also use the WinZip to extract the files. Open the folder, and it is showing the publication file including the graphics we added. After this, again come to the publication. Click on File menu, navigate to Pack and Go. Let's use the option Take to a commercial printing service. In how will this publication be printed? Under Take to a commercial printing service, select the option from the list. Select commercial press if we use an offset printing service. Select high quality printing if we use a high-end copy shop, and select other if you want to customize the PDF settings to match the settings on the targeted printer, and then choose the settings that we want. But remember that we can save it as PDF only after we install PDF or XPS file add-in. After this, click on printing options and make the changes you want to add. After that, click on OK. Under select an item to fix, repair the problems, identify the publisher, and to create a PDF file, under export, select the option create a PDF. We can save our publication as a compressed file that includes a publisher file and a PDF file or both. Click on save. Again, select the location for saving our files. I'm selecting other location. Defaultly, it will create a folder on desktop. Click on next. But if we select the same folder where we pack multiple publications, it is better to save each packed publication to a separate folder. Otherwise, the Pack and Go wizard will overwrite any pre-existing packed publications. And here it is showing the publication is successfully packed. Wizard copied our packed file into the directory we selected. And print a composite proof checkbox is always checked by default. Use the composite proof to review and catch any errors in a printed version of our publication before we send the file to the commercial printer. If our commercial printer fixes errors in the file, the cost of the printing usually increases. So select print a composite proof if required. Otherwise, simply uncheck the option. Click on OK. Again, come to the location, and I got a folder test.png. Open this, and we got the compressed folder. Let's extract the file, and we got the publication file and PDF file. We can open them. Similarly, let's try to open publication. Note that fonts that are embedded in the unpacked publication can be loaded on the new computer, but they can be used only by the publication in which they are embedded. Click on OK. And note that if we make changes to our publication after we pack our files, be sure to run the wizard again so that the changes are included in the publication that we take to our commercial printing service. Like this, we can use Pack and Go wizard in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.